Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I got a 2014 Harley Davidson 883 iron I want to show you. This is a pretty sweet bike. I think that's called Sedona Orange. A lot of black powder coating on it. Nice powder coated and brushed aluminum front wheel, looks real nice. Like powder coated lower fork legs. Got a real good tire here on the front. Front fender looks real nice. I don't see any kind of chips or pecks on it. Let's see, that's little thing there is coming off. Shaved the levers here. Gave it kind of a little rough feel. Hadn't seen that before. Upgraded plug wires. Upgraded shifter peg there. It's got mid-mount controls. Set up as a solo, but it does have the passenger pegs here, so if you want to get you a seat, put another seat on there, passenger. Set of Z-bar handlebars. It's had the baffles taken out of the exhaust here, so it's got some volume to it. S&S air cleaner. It's had the tank riser put on here to raise the tank up. Gives it that little chopper look. Nice little bobber style bike. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. This bike's got 5,170 miles on it. Definitely hear that one coming. We ran it through our shop and checked it out. So she is ready to ride. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. And you can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. Let's see if that's a little piece of wax or something. No, that might be a tiny little bitty peck right there. Other than that, I didn't see anything I needed to point out to you. Give us a call toll free, 888-400-1151. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.